Hello friends and welcome. My name is Jules Aron and I'm your holistic wellness coach and plant-based author. You'll want to heat your water or milk of choice to about 170 degrees. You don't want to boil the liquid as you may burn out some of the very powerful nutrients in the cacao. You want to use 1 tablespoon of cacao for 1 cup of liquid. You'll blend this using a handheld frother or a blender for a creamier drink. Try a healthier sweetener such as honey or maple syrup or even coconut sugar, and flavor as the Aztecs would with either chili, cayenne, ginger, cardamom, or as I have here with cinnamon. Cheers!